Mount Kenya todo we did a mistake kono rathikiririe hindi akora na discussion ya finance bill uthikiriria bunge ya Mount Kenya makiaria soke uthikiririo na Nyanza kana kuria kungi ukwenda uguka kuelewa even my MP mana tadu matarero kile mara discuss why wait yet ni mana na bill yo ungieterera atia weterere nginya tuthome tukinye nginya budget gwikinyite budget ino from last year ni maroi ni twakorwo na reading of the budget and tugabatara budget ira turani financial year 2024 2025 no nginya metere ithu a Kenya na usagurire mundu athia ku represent no nginya metere ithu a Kenya to my inform kira mabatie gwika some of the bill ni irahinyiriria girl child na twina so many women including the women position ya ku represent muiretu uri utangihota kwari thauti yake tondu mubunge acaguragwo niki tau ni nja mubunge wakwa ite ndabatie kwario ni behalf of me uguo na atanathi kuria guthie kuhatuki budget ri ona budget ino in the process ya guthondekwa abati guka macinani orie turenda kinaki acoke atware ita proposal no this one did not happen tau ndirarora nyamu iria mararutire theti 16% VAT on bread mekirite na kono uririkane kwi hindi majukire machiuga ati mugate anga ni urehaga ki diabetes na ni maramenya iho thaici niguo maraugire VAT on transportation of sugar nio mareheragia marari horo wa VAT on financial service and foreign exchange transaction mareheria ni sawa maroka no increase on mobile money transfer na iria nyingi maybe even 22.5% ya motor vehicle tax has also been removed when excess duty ya vegetable oil. Is it that andu aya tukimathura matiamenya gore marathie gwika kuria kana ni he mundu fulani uramonia no nginya magere bara? Are these people independent?